A brand new Ethiopian Airlines Boeing 737 MAX 8 aircraft has just crashed after takeoff. Flight ET302, registered ET-AVJ, had been operating a regular commercial service to Nairobi in Kenya from their home base in Addis Ababa. Very worryingly, this is the second fatal crash of Boeing's flagship new jet. Similar to the Lion Air crash just a few months ago, this 4-month-old aircraft had reportedly lost contact with air traffic control just minutes after departure from Addis Ababa. While news is still fresh, the accuracy of data I have mentioned may not be 100%, but I am going off information that is currently available. Ethiopian reportedly says 149 passengers were on board the flight, plus an extra 8 crew members. I would like to wish the best for friends and families that were affected by this tragedy, and I am deeply saddened by this event. It brings up the suspicious question as to what actually caused this crash, and does it have anything to do with a malfunction from Boeing's behalf. Rescue efforts are now in place, and further information should be uncovered in coming days. I hope this video gave you a better understanding on this terrible incident. See you next time.